Have you had this problem as a QA engineer? So you have a lot of automated tests running, and you're able to verify that when there's defects, when the tests are passing, all of that good stuff. But there's no way to see any metrics on how the tests are doing. What can we do in that situation? Well, stick around. We're going to be exploring Report Portal today.
Let's go already!
Welcome to Tech Coaching with Ralph. We are going to be reviewing Report Portal today. So let's dive into what it is. So this QA project, reportportal.io, that's the website to it for it. So let's get going. So let's get an overview on what Report Portal is. So Report Portal is an AI-powered test automation dashboard that acquires, aggregates, and analyzes test reports to ascertain release health. It uses real-time analytics, visualization of auto test results, and machine learning. And one of the cool things about it is it's open source. So we can get it and install it on our own servers and we can figure it out ourselves. We're not required to get a license and pay for it. So what's next? So let's watch this quick overview from Report Portal to see what exactly it is.
Welcome to Report Portal, an open-source AI-powered test automation dashboard, one-stop shop solution for continuous testing. Provides pure visibility throughout the pipeline, alongside fast feedback from test automation. Supports clients on their journey to continuous testing. But continuous testing contains a lot of pitfalls. Report Portal helps to define problems and eliminates them. It assists to search and reduce unstable issues using ML algorithm in order to stabilize automation and save team costs. Makes test automation process transparent and clear for any level of stakeholders. Optimizes repetitive work, freeing up time to increase test coverage. Collects and analyzes test results in various environments to help you achieve high visibility and consider results in a pipeline. Provides automated, meaningful feedback to CI/CD on top of automated test results at different stages of pipeline. But how does Report Portal work? It acquires results from test frameworks. AI finds known failures. QA analyzes unknown failures. System assesses build quality and sends feedback to CI/CD. All history and test reports are located in Report Portal. Out-of-the-box integrations with test frameworks and Open API makes Report Portal a single entry point for all tests on your project. Welcome to Report Portal. The main page shows all test runs with details. When it ran, by whom, what was run, where, how. By clicking on Statistics, you open a list with tests and detailed info about them. Explore and analyze your test execution within logical steps, logs, attachments, and other synced information. Test failure triaging is a powerful feature of Report Portal that allows to relate a failure to issue groups, product bugs, auto bugs, or system issues, in order to make feedback from test automation actionable. But we do not limit our users, and they can create their own issue groups and use them during triaging. The process of failure triaging is automated in Report Portal. Machine learning-based analyzer defines known failures and assigns them to issue group automatically, using results of previous investigations. Report Portal gives a possibility to create widgets, which is based on test automation KPIs and increase a level of visibility on the project. Quality gate analysis provides capabilities to speed up CI/CD pipeline by auto-analysis and auto-feedback to your CI/CD tools. Report Portal has many features, making test automation simple, transparent, and effective. And our clients' cases are proving this constantly. Clients trust Report Portal because Report Portal trusts in continuous testing.
Nice.
Awesome. So hopefully that gives you a good overview of what Report Portal is. I mean, there's a lot more to it, but this is like just a quick 3-minute overview of what it is. And I do plan to have a longer video, most likely a live stream that you can always watch back on implementing Report Portal. And we can probably even use the automation project that we did when we were setting up Java and Python. So that way we'd have the opportunity to implement Report Portal in Java and then implement it in Python, run both of those scenarios, and have it feed into a Report Portal instance installed on AWS. So there's a lot of architecture going on here. There's a lot of engineering going on. That's what we will eventually do. But in this video, we just want to focus on what Report Portal is and this problem that it solves. And for me, the problem that it solves is giving us visibility, giving us historical context, along with a lot of the AI failure reasoning detecting, the QA manual triaging. All of these are such useful tools for QA engineers, especially looking to revolutionize the way that testing is done. I see myself as a pioneer in the QA industry. It's not a linear step-by-step process or nothing happens. It's no, as QA, we also figure things out, get them to work. It's not only the job of the software engineers to get things to work. It's also the job of QA engineers to make things happen, give good feedback, help the development process move along. Okay, so here we are. Why use Report Portal? Like I said earlier, provides increased capabilities to speed up the results and analysis and reporting. Has built-in analytics features. It's a great addition to continuous integration and continuous testing process. So with all these features, that definitely goes by the motto of engineered to win, because that reduces a lot of issues that we've had in the past and seeing trends. So we get to create dashboards and see trends and alerts. So I think that's definitely a valuable thing to do. All right. So when we go through our implementation session, our software exploration session, the tools that we're going to need a local computer, of course. But when I say local computer, that's so we can be able to install Report Portal, but we can also do it virtually on the cloud. So you can use AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, whatever virtual cloud environment you want. You want to also have Docker installed on your machine. If you need a guide to installing Docker on an AWS machine, then you can click the link in the description. Also have it linked at the end of the video. And then you need some sort of automated tests in order to be able to execute the test through Report Portal to have the results feed in. It's not being executed through it, but it's going to be sending the results to Report Portal. And for that, you can follow the video of the side-by-side Python and Java Selenium WebDriver installation. So I can link that as well. And once you get caught up with that, when we are doing our live session of implementing Report Portal, you'll have all the tools that you need to do that. And the steps that we're going to take, we will install Docker. It should already be done locally. and you want it to installed in your working environment, whether that is locally or whether that is in a cloud-based environment, then we're going to install Report Portal. We'll follow the guide to do that. We're going to configure Report Portal to receive the results. And then we're going to configure automated tests to send the data to the Report Portal installation. We're going to run our test, and then we're going to review the results. In between each of those steps, I'm pretty sure there's going to be troubleshooting. I could just do pre-recorded videos that show everything working perfectly. I cut out all the troubleshooting, but I don't do that here on this channel. I want the users to have that real experience of, as a QA engineer, the things that you go through, the issues that you run into, and then how to think critically into figuring out those issues. It's not just, oh, everything is perfect and rosy. I just do this, this, and this, and then it all works fine and dandy. I just follow a guide and it's very linear thinking. No, we need to use our minds. We need to understand the issues that we're having, and then we need to know how to research them, how to resolve those issues so we can move forward. Nothing is just always going to be handed to you perfectly, because if we just have that linear thinking and then you get to an issue, you throw your hands up like, I don't know what to do now, and you quit. And we don't quit over here. We just keep pushing forward. We keep winning. So moving along, those are the steps that we'll take. And trust me, there's going to be lots of troubleshooting. This might be a 2 to 3 stream event with all the steps that we have to do. But I really hope that you would join me for the ride as we go along. And our project goal. The goal of investigating Report Portal is to find a viable option to capture execution of automated tests in a centralized location with the ability to analyze and investigate trends. Like I said, throughout my years of QA engineering, this has been one of the major problems, is the lack of data, and where we can. So we have our automated tests running. We have the results. We might have reports being saved locally or saved somewhere, but there is no way to. We haven't had a good way of capturing all that data and putting it in a centralized place where we can use analytics to review it, where we can get like alerts based on trends. So that is the goal of investigating Report Portal, to see if this tool is a good option for us to be able to accomplish those and further our QA engineering and QA architecting in the right direction. And the potential benefits, which I already started to state, but it provides insight to QA and engineer stakeholders on the engineering quality of the work being produced. A lot of times it's like a silo. You might have a sprint review and you're just sharing information about what's going on. But I think personally, it would be awesome that there is a location where, let's say, QA managers, engineering managers, any other type of stakeholders, they can just log in and see what's been going on. How are the test runs doing? Are we getting failures? What's going on? Oh, it's been running. We've been getting passes for a month, and then now we have one test that failed on this day, but then it passed on this next day for a week. Oh, what was the cause of that? Oh, that was a flaky test. No big deal. Oh, there was actually a problem on this day, but it seemed to resolve itself. But why did we have that problem? So it gives us ability to have more insight. It provides historical context of the development and testing process, and it provides data and analytics of the software development lifecycle. So I think all those things are super valuable. And if Report Portal could provide us that insight, I think that will be a fundamental tool in the industry. So a sneak peek. We already saw some through the video that they produced, but here are some images of what it looks like inside. So this is a picture of a dashboard where it's giving us, we create dashboards. There's some that you can import and customize yourself, but you can create your own dashboards with the data that you want to see based on what are potential defects, what are bugs, passes, percentages, all that type of stuff that we will delve into over the report portal series, our software exploration of the report portal. Some more sneak peeks. Report portal results chart. See how it gives you like the chart. It gives you a legend. It gives you a full chart of data that you can analyze. Here are the testing results. So you can categorize product bugs, automation bugs, things you need to investigate and assign to a category, how many total tests ran, how many passed, how many failed. So much amazing historical data that we can potentially get out of this tool. So, our conclusion for this video. Report Portal provides the ability to capture test executions and reports them to a centralized location where they can be analyzed. We're going to go through the exercise of installing Report Portal, configuring it within, and not an animated test, although our tests are sometimes animated, but in automated tests to configure, troubleshoot, capture, and analyze the data that is being transmitted. You should have a good understanding of Report Portal and the ability to share it with your team, upper management, if your team is looking for a state-of-the-art open source automated testing reporting tool. All right, so that's going to be what we're going to go through. I can put a link to this presentation in the description, so you can feel free to access it and review it. So that is where we're at. So I'll be looking forward to doing the Report Portal live implementation, and I hope to see you there as we investigate this potentially revolutionary tool in the QA industry. Until next time, friends,